Baby wakes with pure delight. Daddy smiles, come and play. Baby loves to start the day.
Good morning, little buddy.
Tiny hands and tiny feet. Every giggle is so sweet. Up we go, then down so slow. Round and round away we go. Peek-a-boo behind a chair. Happy laughter fills the air.
Peek-a-boo.
Daddy's hugs are warm and bright, making every moment right. Out the door beneath the sun, Daddy says let's have some fun. Hand in hand along the way, off we go to laugh and play. Trees are dancing, birds say hi. Fluffy clouds go floating by. Little footsteps down the way. What a lovely, happy day. Doggy!
Yes, a little doggy.
Little footsteps on the ground. So much wonder all around. Butterflies and flowers too. Every day brings something new. Swing up high and slide down low.
Wow.
Laughing everywhere we go. Roll the ball and clap away, making memories every day. Golden sunlight fills the sky. Birds are flying home up high. Home we wander warm and slow as the evening starts to glow. Stars are shining up above. Baby sleeps with Daddy's love. Mama's kisses
Good night, my
soft and
sunshine.
sweet. Teddy snuggles while we sleep. Hand in hand through every day.